Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. JJ know we back at it like an addict, no rehab. I didn't make a video yesterday. Didn't really was gonna make one today, so I just make a quick little video. Um, I went to a school auction on Saturday, and just like the one where I got those buses at, but the ones for the buses is like they do it in like June. So this one was just like school supply stuff. So I'll make a video tomorrow of what all I got, and then we'll go from there. Uh, just happy Tuesday. Hope everybody's doing well. But yeah, I'll make a video tomorrow of all the stuff about the school auction. Hi, Daddy. Hey, what? You have fun? That's good. What? I'm just recording a video. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Ma. It's video. I'm recording a video. Don't touch my nose. Don't touch your nose. Yeah, drop show y'all what I picked up tomorrow at the school auction. See if it's worth anything. Spent a little bit of money there. Bought some. Me and my brother bought some computers, then bought some printers, some toner and stuff like that, and some ink and all that. I don't know. I'm gonna look through the box and see if it's worth anything. If so, I'll set up an Amazon store, set up a little account with Amazon and sell it on Amazon if it's worth anything, and try to sell all the stuff I can. Just sell it, um, just on marketplace. You know, the stuff like the printers and stuff like that. Just plug it all up, make sure everything is in good condition. Um, got some laptops and stuff as well. So I'll give y'all a little showing of everything that I bought, and I'll let y'all know after show y'all in the video tomorrow. I'll let y'all know what I paid for it. So and then I'll let y'all comment and know. Let y'all comment and let me know if it's a good deal or not. I'm online right now on ACV. About to try to buy some more cars. Getting some other cars ready. I'll show y'all. It's been raining these last couple of days, so it's really no point in going to get wet for no reason. But it's supposed to be sunny the rest of the week, so I'll show y'all these other vehicles I bought. Get these other cars worked on. I finally took that Lincoln because the Lincoln I couldn't get the brake issue done with it, so I took that one to Jenner. He hasn't called me yet, so I don't know if he's got to it or not. So I'm gonna hurry up and take that to Jenner and try to get it to Wilson because if y'all don't know, Wilson's done November 30th. So I need to go start up my Firebird and need to hit somebody up and see if they can do that. Put those gauges on because I got to get that. I need to get that to Wilson. So I need to sell some cars. Then so that's what I got to do. All before Wilson retires because he will be retiring in less than a month. So I actually got 3 cars. I bought it's a Nissan that I bought that I got to get fixed. That I need to take to Wilson. I need to definitely get my Firebird. Lincoln, I'm not really too worried about. I don't care if I get it fixed or not. I'll definitely drive it. You know how it is. With the damages, I wouldn't care. I don't mind the car. I bought the Lincoln for like $550. It's 2011, so I don't care about the damages as long as it's running and driving good. And I just didn't have no brakes, so that's all I want to just make sure it has some brakes and put a headlight in there, and I'll drive it beat up in the condition it's in, because then I know like, hey, it's already beat up, and if it breaks down, I'll just junk it for way more than what I bought it for, and it's a win-win situation. But it depends if I sell enough cars to make enough money. Cause I know Wilson, his prices went up a little bit. I could tell his prices went up, but I know when you go into retirement, why as well raise the price, get as much money as you can before you get up out of there. So, but the main thing is to try to get my Firebird there, get the Firebird and this little Nissan that I plan on selling. Those are the two main things that I need to get there. Lincoln is not that big a priority. I don't think I got anything else to take to Wilson that I can think of. Do I got anything else? No, I don't have anything else. So, but if y'all have anything, if y'all here in Oklahoma and want to get any work done by Wilson, you better go now. You got really 1 month and a week, and Wilson's up out of here. So, And also drop in the comment section below if you're selling cars, and if you're having any trouble selling cars, or about to open up your dealers, open up your lot, or you selling cars. Like, what are you having trouble with selling cars? Is it the advertising, is the selling, the price point? Let me know if there's anything that I can help you with in the comment section below. Just comment below, and I'll do my best to try to get to you guys. And I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. I'm out. Peace.